In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in Asana. If you've been using Asana for project management, you know how crucial milestones are for keeping your tasks organized and tracking the major phases of your projects. So let's dive in and make sure you can leverage your projects to their fullest potential by setting up effective milestones. First, you'll want to begin by opening your project in Asana. It's important to start from the right place, so make sure you're in the specific project where you wish to create a milestone. This helps you and your team stay organized and ensures that all relevant tasks and notes are associated with the correct project. Next, direct your attention to the top of your project's task list, where you'll see an option to add a task. Just right next to it, you'll find the More Actions icon. Click on it, and this will reveal a drop-down menu where you can select the option to create a new task or milestone. It's always helpful to clearly name your milestone, since this will provide a clear focus for your team. Think of it as labeling a checkpoint along your project timeline. Through concise and descriptive names, you ensure everyone is aligned on objectives and goals. With your milestone named, you'll now want to assign the specific details. This part is crucial as it ensures that each person involved knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Assign the milestone to the appropriate team member by selecting an assignee. Next, set a due date. Milestones are time sensitive to ensure that your project stays on track, so make sure the date you enter is accurate and realistic. Additionally, link the milestone to any relevant projects. This is important for cross-project visibility, especially in complex workflows where a milestone might impact multiple project areas. Also consider adding dependencies if the milestone cannot begin or end until other tasks are completed. It's like setting up a chain reaction where completion of one task triggers the initiation of another. Don't forget to fill in any custom fields and add a detailed description. This helps in providing context and can capture any specifications or comments that should accompany your milestone. Once you've meticulously filled out all these sections, it's time to finalize your milestone setup by selecting the option to close. This indicates that the milestone is ready to go live, so to speak, and thereby becomes a part of your project's timeline for all team members to see and work towards. And that's it. You've just successfully created a milestone in Asana. Remember, milestones are more than just markers on a timeline. They're crucial for motivating teams, ensuring alignment, and evaluating progress. By setting clear, well-documented milestones, everyone involved will have a clear understanding of project expectations and deadlines, which ultimately contributes to a smoother and more productive project lifecycle. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing in Asana.